Good afternoon. This is Teacher Mary, and this will be our day 6 reading lesson. So let's dive in. Visiting the doctor. All right. So let me read it for you. Visiting the doctor. Haley feels hot. Her mom touches her forehead. Haley has a fever. The mom takes Haley to a doctor. The doctor is kind. He gives her a sticker. He tells her to take a pill. He tells her to drink a lot of water. Haley goes home. She takes the pill and drinks water. She does this for 3 days. She is healthy again. So that will be our day 6 reading lesson. So please upload your video entry in this post, and I'll see you again in our next class. Bye. Asan na yun? All right. So see you.